Guess who's back?
These two sisters are, and we are super excited to finally be building another piece of furniture together. The girls are back in town.
And if you're anything like us, you've been in your house a lot lately. And what happens when we're in our houses a lot lately?
Messes. I literally am cleaning up every single moment, I believe.
So believe it or not, one of our most used tools right now are our cleaning tools.
So we decided it'd be super fun to come up with a really cute piece of furniture to house all of our favorite cleaning tools. So we teamed up with our friends at Hoover to design the cutest cabinet to house our entire Hoover ONEPWR cordless system.
We love this cordless system so much, and they just came out with a new Evolve upright pet vacuum. It is amazing.
And check out the Dust Chaser Handheld Vacuum. This thing is perfect for tight spaces, and you can even use it in your car.
And maybe one of our favorite new products in this line is the dual bay charger, so you can charge 2 batteries while you're using one.
We like having all the batteries, all the time.
So we designed this super cute sliding barn door utility storage cabinet.
It is the perfect all-in-one storage unit for the perfect all-in-one cordless cleaning system.
So let's go build it.
Let's build this thing, and I do love your idea of moving this into the dining room.
Well, with the heat wave we've got going on in Texas right now, I think the AC is a much better option for us.
I do too. Okay, what are we doing first?
Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is build the cabinet frame, and that's going to be with plywood that we have already ripped down, and we've drilled pocket holes. They are 3/4 inch pocket holes, and we're using 1 1/4 inch pocket hole screws and wood glue to attach.
Tell them what you're doing.
I am attaching, this is the side piece and this is the top, and we've got the dimensions for where you're gonna set the side pieces on the top on our printable plans, and you can link them in the description box below. I'm using 1 1/4 inch pocket hole screws and wood glue, and I'm trying to make sure that I don't push down too hard so that I don't put a hole in my wood floor. So that one's on. Now we're gonna move to the second one.
Which you're sitting on, Jeffrey.
Guys, it's a special day. We've got Jeffrey, our editor-in-chief, producing for us today.
Back home from the great city of Houston, Texas.
All our Houston peeps. Sorry, we stole him back with our sister.
What do you call this gluing method, Ashley?
This is, my glue is all messed up from the Texas heat, so we're using our finger.
Okay.
It's a really professional application.
That's what I was thinking when I watched you do it. Okay, we have both sides attached, so now we're gonna flip it over and add our bottom piece. Now we have this set up at, was that 2.5 inches, Ash?
2 3/4, I think.
2 3/4 inches, because that'll give us room for the face frame.
And we've drilled 3/4 inch pocket holes on both sides.
And we're just gonna attach this the same way using wood glue, and our drill is the above the line or below the line?
It's above the line,
okay.
So above.
Oh.
Abort!
Well, how do I put it above when you put the glue below it?
Well, you know, figure it out. It's one of those life-solving problems.
I don't care, it's going in your house. Here we go.
Look at you. So we've got the top and the bottom and the sides done. Now we're gonna add that middle divider right here that's gonna separate.
In the middle?
In the middle. We're gonna put it in the middle.
Just like right about here.
Right here.
Now, Ash, is there a side that you would prefer your pocket holes on for this middle divider?
No. Yeah, well,
you sure?
It'd be better to be on the side that has the drawer that's gonna be closed most of the time. Okay, so pocket holes will face that way.
Okay, all right. Okay, all right.
Okay.
All right, okay.
Okay. I think that has something to do with cheering.
It probably does. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8,
go.
Here comes the middle divider. Now putting in the middle divider. Ash already added glue. So we are attaching this middle divider with the same 1 1/4 inch pocket hole screws and wood glue. You just want to be sure you're nice and centered. And Ash already made that mark for us.
You can say refer to our printable plans.
Refer to our printable plans.
That was money right there. Set her up.
Okay.
You think?
Sure.
Or do you want me to hold it? Look at that beast.
That's what they call me. Okay.
Can you like hold the, push that down? Thanks. Can you like go a little bit for a second? Okay, no. There we go.
I feel like an actual shanty clamp.
Good job, Tomcat.
You're welcome.
Can you get that one?
Yep, sure will. Okay, middle divider done. What are we attaching next?
I'm gonna refer to my
Printable plan.
printable plans.
We're gonna be adding our shelves next. The easiest way to do this is gonna be to lay this cabinet down, yet again, and we will mark where each of these shelves are gonna go. You wanna be sure you get these nice and square because this is where your drawers are gonna go in a later step.
We've got the marks made for the shelves, and now we're gonna attach them. And these are also just the 3/4 inch plywood that we've ripped to size, and we drilled 3/4 inch pocket holes on each end. And these are gonna be the shelves that hold the drawers.
You wanna hand me the glue? Oh, this glue is terrible.
I know. But the other one is like clumpy.
Yes.
And it looks like curdled cheese.
Mmm. Oh dear, that's the door. That's not good. SOS, can you?
I just washed my hands.
That was a total sacrifice. Okay.
Okay, all right.
All right, shelves are done, and now we're gonna be adding our face frame. So this is 1x2 boards. Ash has done the amazing favor of cutting these ahead of time. So let's get these put on.
Do we we're gonna assemble it first and then attach it, so do we wanna move this out of the way?
Probably a good idea.
We'll see if it's actually gonna fit. Oh, guys, look at this. Like a glove.
DIY Whitney cabinet. Okay. Okay, on this face frame, the top is gonna be a 1x5 board, and then we have 1x2s for our sides and center, and then the bottom board is a 1x4. So Ash is marking where those are gonna line up, and I'm gonna start by attaching these. My 1x2s are gonna be flush with the top of my 1x5. And ignore the extra pocket hole in the 1x2s. Ash was just a little overzealous on her pocket holes. So now we're gonna head to the bottom part and get those attached. Last one. All right, face frame is created.
We're gonna cross our fingers that it fits on the cabinet.
Step 5, cross your fingers. Drop it like it's hot, Ash. Okay. It's like you've done this before, Sister Pants.
A few times.
Ashley's dropping glue on the ground. Ashley's adding glue to the front of our cabinet, and we are going to put this assembled face frame on top of it. Now, you want to make sure that your pocket holes are facing down. You are so good at gluing. I'm going to lay this down on top, and then we are going to get it nice and straight, and we're attaching everything with our nailer, and we're using 1 1/4 inch brad nails to attach it.
And you should have, there's gonna be 3/4 of an inch on each side. That's for the side trim, and then everything else should be really flush. Like so.
Okay, face frame is attached, so now we're gonna grab the measurements for the trim. This is 18 3/4, actually just like a hair under 18 3/4 on both, and Ash is gonna go outside in the heat and cut these pieces of trim. Did you get those cut? Cut, whoop. All right, so I am going to attach these with wood glue and the same nails. It's cute. I like how it like sets back a little bit. That's cute.
It's kind of fun.
Yeah.
You know?
Little shanty flare, if you will. All right, add the next one. Okay, trim is done. So we are ready to build our drawers. What do you plan on putting in the drawers?
I'm gonna put like some of the attachments for the vacuums and like detergent, all the things that are taking up space in my pantry.
That's a great idea because I hate attachments all over the floor, but I love attachments.
So that's a really good problem solver.
So So the first step in building these drawers is going to be to cut the face frame, and that is going to have a notch. That's going to be our handle. So Ash is going to use the jigsaw, and oh, you're going to do that in here?
Yes, it's too hot outside.
That's going to make a huge mess.
Well, it's not a problem for me because I've got my Hoover.
All right, face frame done, and now we're gonna build the rest of the drawer. So this is going to be that same 3/4 inch plywood we used on the cabinet, and we have our base. So the entire base has 3/4 inch pocket holes all the way around. So let's attach. Let's build a box, Ash.
Yeah.
Ow!
Free your mind.
And the rest will follow. I love having my shanty clamp here.
I really missed it.
You make life so much easier.
We go together like a clamp and
Like a wink and a smile.
a wink and a smile, a clamp
Oh.
and a
Oh.
clamp and
A board.
Clamp.
No,
Yeah.
nope.
Why?
Oh yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Nope. Abort.
It felt very accurate to me, but I wasn't for sure. Okay.
This was really tricky to do when I
It
was.
seems like
By
very
myself.
tricky as I'm doing it, but I'm thinking that's my fault. Okay.
I was trying to like not have any pocket holes on the inside, and also not expose plywood edges.
All right. And now our sides.
The back.
All right. Ooh, there it is.
Whatever you say, Captain.
At least you're finally acknowledging. Now I'm going to. Sorry. Am I doing? Is that what I'm doing? Doing this?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
All right.
Uh-huh.
Glue it.
Yep.
So I'm adding glue here. Move that out of the way. You. And then we're gonna lay the face frame down and flip it on top of it, because it's just easier. So I'm gonna let Ash get it all lined up, since I'm basically doing everything else. Basically. All right, so at this point, we are ready to get our drawer slides on, and we've got 3 drawers, so let's get it done.
On your mark, get set, go team.
Go team. Y'all can check out the free plans and our post to get links to the hardware we used and how we attached it.
Make sure to subscribe and click the bell so that you get a notification every time we post a new video.
Ding!
Okay, we've got the drawer slides attached to the drawers. Now it's time to add them to the cabinet.
Oh my goodness, this looks so cute. So let's go ahead and get those extra trim pieces added, and then we can build the door.
All right, sounds good.
Okay.
All right, so we are assembling the frame for the barn door, and this is just 1x4s that we've cut down to size, and we are attaching them with 1 1/4 inch pocket hole screws through the 3/4 inch pocket holes that we drilled. Okay, so the frame for the barn door is done. Now we're gonna get that quarter sheet panel and attach that. All right, so we are putting wood glue on the back of the barn door frame, and we're gonna lay that quarter sheet panel over it and attach it with 5/8 inch finish nails, brad nails.
So make sure it's nice and flush on each side so it looks like a solid panel door.
Are you flush?
I am so flush.
Make sure we're not poking out on the other side. Not that that's ever happened before.
It only matters when you're building in your dining room.
That's true, actually.
I'm here for support.
Literally.
Here, I'll support you. Right, I got it. We have the door built, and now it's ready for paint. We just have one small problem.
We have a huge mess in here, which would normally be an issue. However, we've got the right tools for the job.
And when we're finished, we'll have a place to store them.
furniture in my dining room, I think it would be perfect for any space in your house.
And I love the barn door you added to it. Such a cute design, Ash.
And how about those doors for all the storage?
It really is the perfect piece of furniture to house our entire Hoover ONEPWR cordless system. So cute.
Cleaning just got a whole lot more fun.
It's really flipping hot outside.
Yeah, we've got a heat, what is it, a warning?
Heat wave. We're being, what's that word? I
Cautious?
messed up. No, I was thinking like smart, but I couldn't think of what it was.
We're being what?
That was the best intro.
I can you laugh. Getting better.
Okay, all right.
I'll say it.
Okay, perfect.
So what are we doing next though? Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna, okay. All right.
All right, okay, all right, okay. All right,
Okay,
okay, all right. Woo! Woo, Ashley. All right, I said it again.
All right.
Okay, I said okay. Lead in. Now I'm putting, that was ridiculous. That's like an armpit shot, Jeffrey.
Oh, sorry. I can
Make your toot sound.
Oh, wow.
That's a good one, right?
Right here, and now the exciting part is we have, say it again. Okay. All right, so we've got the
Hold on, I was
doorbell.
wiping my nose.
Okay, just pick it.
Go again.
All right.
Say store them.
Shut up! Can I have my own line? Okay. Hold on. Okay. Okay, now hold on. And check out the Dust Chaser Handheld Vacuum. And check out their Dust Chaser Handheld Vacuum. It's, what are the features?
Perfect for tall, small spaces, and you can use it in your car.
Okay. And check out the Dust Chaser. And check out the Dust Chaser cordless. And check out the Dust Chaser Handheld Vacuum. And check out the okay. And check out the Dust Chaser cordless.
Just read it and I can put
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Dust Chaser.
Yeah.
So I'll say, so we designed
Oh,
this.
of course you're gonna say the first part. Oh, of course. Oh, producer!
Now let me say mine.
Boom!
Again.
Okay.
Don't make me sing.